Hello everyone, my name is Kumar Akashanand, legal and protection company. In this video, I am going to discuss section 151 of the CPC. This is the saving of inherent power of court. This section states that nothing in the CPC shall be considered to restrict or otherwise affect the inherent power of court to make such order as may be important for the end of justice, or to limit abuse of the method of the court. It is not obligatory for the court to wait for the law made by the parliament or order made from the higher judiciary. Court has this discretionary power or inherent power to make such order which is not given in terms of law for the security of justice or to check the misuse of methods of the court. Thank you.
आपने फाइनल स्टार्ट कर दी?